Hey guys, so I just want to bring you a quick video and update when it comes to my merchandise store. So right now I am doing a 15% off discount store-wide for my merchandise. The links are always below. I'm also going to be putting a link right here with the promo code included so you guys can get 15% off. Just use code LIFE, all uppercase, and let me just go to my storefront right here so I can actually show you it. And here it is. This is the Life and Easy merch store. If you guys haven't been here before, I sell a bunch of t-shirts and stuff. My favorite design is this one right here. So if you guys want to go get 15% off your order, just click the link down below, use code LIFE, and get yourself some nice Life and Easy merchandise. Got a bunch here when it comes to mugs, shirts, got even women's shirts, iPhone cases, got stickers if you want a Life and Easy sticker, or if you want a hoodie, you can get that as well. So guys, go cop some Life and Easy merch. Links in the description. Subscribe, like this video, hit that notification bell. And yeah, see you guys in the next upcoming video. Let's see if we can get 100 likes on this video. Probably won't happen, but we can try anyway. So, peace out.